In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google drawing on Google Sites fast and easy. Google Sites is a great tool for building simple websites for various purposes, from personal portfolios to class projects. Adding interactive or visual elements like Google Drawings can really enhance your site, making it more engaging. So let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Sites and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results, but you'll want to click on the first link that appears, which usually takes you to the official Google Sites homepage. Once you're there, if you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so using your Google account credentials. Now that you've accessed Google Sites, you'll see a variety of options. Take a moment to browse through your existing sites, or if this is your first time, you might want to start a new project. Select the Google site that you want to add the drawing to and click on it to open your project. You'll now be taken to the site editor, where all the magic happens. Inside the site editor, look towards the right side of your screen, where you'll find the Insert option. Click on this to reveal a variety of items you can add to your site. From these options, find and click on Drive. This will give you access to all the files connected to your Google Drive, where your Google Drawings should be saved. Navigate through your Drive files to select the specific Google drawing you wish to add. If your drawing isn't immediately visible, try using the search function with keywords from the name of your drawing. Once you've located it, click on the drawing to highlight it. After your drawing is selected, you'll see an option to insert it into your site. Click on that, and voila! Your Google drawing is now part of your site. After inserting the drawing, you might want to adjust its placement. You can click and drag it to your desired location or resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. Additionally, preview your changes by clicking on the Preview button at the top right of the page. This allows you to see how your site will look to visitors and make any necessary adjustments before making it live. And there you have it. Your Google drawing is successfully added to your Google site. This process is quick and enhances the visual appeal of your site, ensuring you engage your audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content on making the most out of your Google tools. Happy creating!